Introducing Stick and Aim Toilet Target Stickers. When installing the stickers, ensure the surface area is clean and dry. Even though the stickers can be applied over water, they do stick better on a dry surface. For this demonstration, we will apply the sticker on a wet surface using the provided applicator tool. When positioning the sticker, press it down until it attaches to the surface. Using the applicator tool, remove any air and water from the center of the sticker, pushing outward. Although we officially state that the stickers last for approximately 3 months, they may last much longer if applied with the applicator tool. Ready, aim, fire. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps.